from Sigana Golf Club played 4 under par in the third round of the NCBA Kenya Junior Stroke Play Championship at Muthaiga Golf Club to maintain his lead at the top of the leaders board with a total of 75 gross for the day and an aggregate of 10 over par for the 3 days in a row. The tournament is set to conclude later today. I'll give you the results in our subsequent bulletins, but now take a look on how things went down for Junaid Manji.
Today went well. Coming off yesterday, I didn't expect to play the same, but I still played decently good. It feels good to be at the top of the leaderboard, but there's still a lot of work to do tomorrow, and I'm just hoping to keep the same thing going.
And we are happy with the sponsorship from NCBA that makes this possible, and also the fact that this pathway helps the juniors to just assess what they have been doing at the regions in terms of their training with their coaches. So we are excited about this. We are excited that tomorrow we have another, we did a cut of 32 plus ties.
Kenya Prisons tried as well to fight for their lives. We're talking about the Women Africa Club